Democrats are upset with Schultz, including this heckler at a New York Barnes & Noble.
I am seriously considering running for president as a centrist independent. And I wanted to clarify the word independent, which I view merely as a designation on the ballot.
Don't help elect Trump, you egotistical billionaire.
Magic be mad. This mad at a game.
That is the angriest I've seen someone at a Starbucks employee since my half-calf, tall, skinny caramel macchiato came back with that whip. Are you deaf or are you evil? My name isn't stated. It never ceases to amaze me how money makes people think they know things they don't know. This is a guy, maybe a nice guy, maybe a smart guy, I don't know him. But he made his money giving confusing, fancy new names to already established cup sizes. And then cake pops. Next natural step, give me the lunch cones. So it's no surprise that Schultz has met with some resistance, because nobody has ever been in a Starbucks bathroom and thought, the guy in charge of this should be in charge of everything. We got a great show for you tonight. Everyone but his family is either writing a tell-all book about Trump or turning state's evidence. Take former Trump lawyer Michael Cohen, seen here enjoying a brief glimpse of his place in history. Cohen was scheduled to testify to Congress on February 7th, but yesterday, Cohen announced he is postponing his testimony, citing ongoing threats against his family from the president and Rudy Giuliani. Michael Cohen, no, this is serious. Michael Cohen feels like his personal safety has been threatened by President Trump. That's the kind of anxiety known only by every other person on the planet. Cohen, anxiety heads. Oh. We got some fellow anxiety junkies in the house tonight. Hello, my brothers. Trump responded to the allegation, explaining who was really threatening Cohen.
I would say he's been threatened by the truth. He's only been threatened by the truth.
Of course, by truth he means Tommy the Truth Moretti. Okay. First, you get